I think I may have found the best possible dessert you could eat in the backcountry. That's next. Okay, so the Raspberry Crumble with raspberry sauce topped with chocolate cookie crumbs. Wow. I bet you it's pretty good. I'm going to find out. Savor the adventure. So I like that. Adventure and eating. I'm a foodie and an outdoorsy. So that works for me, man. Freeze-dried. A fresh tasting raspberry dessert you can enjoy anywhere, anytime, made with a rich raspberry sauce topped with chocolate cookie crumbs, are convenient. Just add water. Prep in the pouch means that you have more time to do what you love without the hassles of the cook-up and the cleaning. Yeah! The durable, lightweight pouch is easy to pack and carry. Dozens of classic recipe options give you a variety of comfort for you crave as you set out in the morning or at the end of a long day. How do we do it? We use only the highest quality ingredients and cook our meals in the old-fashioned way. The old-fashioned way, allowing the flavors to blend naturally. The result is a home-cooked flavor no matter where you are. Woo! Trusted by outdoor enthusiasts for over 45 years. Woo! All right, let's eat the Raspberry Crumble, and I'm probably going to be doing one of these. This is going to taste awesome. This is going to be really good. Are you ready to crumble? Okay, I just pulled the 1 1/3 of water, boiling water, off of the stove. I have the oven mitt for safety and protection. So what we gotta do is open the packet. It's very simple. Open the packet. There we go. And now we got, there's the raspberry crumbly stuff right there. And I'm gonna throw away the absorber there. And then we take the cookie crumbs, not crookie crumbs, cookie crumbs. We're gonna open that up, and we are going to carefully add 1 1/3 water, boiling water, and stir thoroughly. Close the zipper and let stand for 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Then we're gonna sprinkle the cookie crumbs over the prepared raspberry sauce. Serve hot or cold. So we're gonna take, this is the crumbs. This is more complicated. We got two things to deal with here. This is the crumbs over here. They fortunately say chocolate cookie crumbs right there, so good. We take this, chop it open. Oh wow, that smell. That's pretty good. I like that. Wow. Okay. 5 minutes. Add that in there. And I'll show you what that looks like. Look at that. Raspberry. Boy, it smells really strong. It smells like raspberries. I think it's real raspberries. Put that back in there. This is like a cooking show now. And then we're gonna add 1 1/3 cup of hot boiling water. Wow. All right. Zip it and close it. There we go. That is going to be our dessert. Let's see what that tastes like. I left a little bit of water left there, so 5 minutes. Okay, we have had 5 minutes to let this heat up, cook. Whoa! It looks like strawberry preserves or jam or something. Wow! I'm gonna drain a little bit of the excess water off. Wow! Look at that! Look at that. Okay, so here we are. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like a jelly of some kind. But it is our Raspberry Crumble. I'm gonna drain this off too here. There we go. Mmm. All right, take a look at that. Steaming hot. Smells really good. This is our cookie crumbs to give us the crumble. And let's get that on there. This is a foil lined package. It's like chocolate. You know, take a look at that. It's like almost like Oreo or something. Or coffee. It looks like coffee. But it smells chocolatey, so we're gonna add that to the top. Dust that on there. Yum! Wow. You know, you're in the backcountry. This is quite a treat. I haven't even eaten it yet, but I can tell just how it smells and looks. The smell and look is like awesome, awesome. So let's see what it tastes like. But obviously, that is good. Wow. I think I just need a little bit of ice cream on the side. Next to my fire, my tent behind me, the lake out in front of me, stars up above. Yeah, this would be good. This would be a little heaven on heaven thing here. This is really good. Gotta make sure it's mixed. I had a little powdery stretch there. It wasn't too bad though. Wow, that's a real dessert. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, you guys. Raspberry crumble topped with cookie crumbs and freeze dried. Oh, I got extra here too. So, all right, yeah, that is worth it. They got other desserts too. Check online for all their flavors. But this one's my favorite so far. So, all right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Stay positive, stay focused, stay in the game, and keep hiking. Oh, and if you like the video, hit the little like button. I think it's right down there. If you don't like it, well, I don't care. Hit that one. Subscribe if you want. I'm going to be doing more videos. We're going to have a lot of fun. Outdoor stuff, outdoor reviews, and we'll see you next time.